The first thing I'm going to do is take about 12 tomatillos, peel them, and wash them. My tia Cuca taught me that it was important to wash the tomatillos thoroughly, even at the part where the stem grows. Now it's time to roast the tomatillos. I lay out foil paper for easy cleaning. These are serrano peppers from my garden. Not these big ones, but the chiquitos. Add about 5 to 7 serrano peppers. Before I cut any meat, I always sharpen my knives. I slice my chicken breast into nice thin cubes. I turn the flame up to about a medium-high to get the pot caliente. I grew up using masola oil, but you can use any other vegetable oil. I'll take my favorite Star Wars wooden spoon and saute onion that I added to the oil. I'll take some sal and put it on the chicken breast. Sprinkle it all around. Not too much though. I'll also add freshly cracked black pepper. Just enough to give it flavor. Time to saute the chicken. Just give it a quick sizzle, but don't cook it thoroughly. For the salsa verde, I added the serrano peppers, a slice of cebolla as thick as your pinky, some sal, the tomatillos, and 2 garlic cloves. I always waft it, and I can smell all the flavors coming together. I lower the heat to cook low and slow, probably about 20 minutes. I grab my other favorite Star Wars wooden spoon, this time Chewbacca. Stir it around a little. Let's check it out. Yep, looks ready. To build your taco, it's super easy. Warm up the tortilla, add the chicken, and sprinkle some freshly chopped cilantro. Taste test time. That's pretty good. Muchísimas gracias por visitarme. Espero verlos muy pronto. Se cuidan. Diosito los acompañe. Los quiero mucho, mucho. Besos. Adiós.